Welcome to the Keshinomi Planner, a collection of A5 sized printable planner inserts supplied in PDF format for you to print and use at home. Let's take a look at the Keshinomi yearly log insert. Now this insert takes 2 sheets to print, so there are 4 pages to this insert. You have the dashboard style cover page. You open it up to see 12 months at a glance, and then on the reverse you have the hybrid notes section where you have a lined column followed by a dot grid column. Now this insert is great for if you want to log information that relates to that month. It goes a little deeper into depth than the 2026 calendar plus notes insert. This is nice because it just takes 1 sheet to print, but your information is separated from the month that it relates to. This is quite good if you just want to keep the front of your planner when you open it quite clear, and then have a little bit of a more messy kind of moment with your noting or annotation for what maybe different highlighter color means. But here with the yearly log, you can still keep your planner relatively neat with the dashboard style cover page, and then when you open it up you can really see everything that's going on. Now you don't have a ton of room under each month to log any key information. You have 9 rows per month. But this gives you an opportunity to do a little bit of a hybrid highlighting system where you could jot down key information in the lined area and then use highlighters or coloured shape stickers on the calendar month, and then still have a key on the reverse on the very back page in that dot grid area where you stick down the different stickers or highlight off the little colours, the different colours that you've used, and then indicate what they actually represent. And then that still gives you opportunity to add any detail that you might need to add underneath each month. How I would use this really would be as a log. It could be a future log of things that are coming up, say birthdays, anniversaries, important family events. You could use it for term dates. So I have 3 kids, so I could highlight when their different terms run. Or you could use it for a home maintenance log. So I would use this for logging down, say, when the gutters need cleaning, or when the oven was last deep cleaned, or the water filter changed. So there are quite a few different uses that you could take these to. Now, if I was going to start using it as, say, a home maintenance log, but I also needed to have a log of my children's term dates, I would probably treat this as 2 different inserts and maybe set up a separate home maintenance binder and print one of these off for that specific login system, and then have a separate printout that I kept in my planner for term dates, important events, family events and things like that.